Greetings and good day. I hope you're doing great. I'm here with you for the daily analysis of silver on April 8th. As we've seen over the past 2 weeks, the price of silver dropped down to the weekly FVG zone at $61 and then showed a rejection at this level and bounced back up. On the daily time frame, we can see that after the start of this week, the price of silver fluctuated.
7 powerful volume trading indicators: footprint, volume profile, and fast scalp. Level up your trading
Within a specific range, and after dropping to around $69.86, it reacted to this level and bounced back up. With the start of this trading day, the markets leaned toward a scenario of reduced tensions in the Middle East, and we saw this price increase reflected in the price of silver. Silver is currently trading within its daily FVG range, around the price of $77. We are now analyzing the 4-hour time frame. Here we can see that the decline that occurred over the past 2 weeks, which we mentioned earlier, continued down to the area of a 4-hour order block, and then, with strong support, the price rebounded upwards. From that point onward, the price entered an upward movement, and after it managed to close above the $74.43 range, we consider this move as a bullish change of character. Subsequently, we also observed that after a correction, the price ultimately closed above its previous peak again today. So we can consider this as a bullish break of structure. In the upward movement that formed, we can see that whenever the price returned to internal liquidity zones, such as the 4-hour FVG, it encountered support from buyers and ultimately moved upward. For the latest impulsive wave that has formed, we consider the $69.63 range as the most important support zone, and after the price passes through the 4-hour FVG, it can move toward higher targets. We are currently analyzing the 1-hour time frame. As you know, after the announcement of the ceasefire between the Islamic Republic and the United States, we witnessed a drop in the dollar and a rise in the prices of precious metals. However, there are still uncertainties regarding the agreement, the restrictions in the Strait of Hormuz, and also regional risks. Nevertheless, what we are seeing today in the precious metals market suggests a positive and bullish sentiment. So, following the recent movement, we expect the price of silver to continue its upward trend after a short-term correction. The price of silver could drop down to the 4-hour and 1-hour BPR zones, and after collecting this liquidity, it may move upward. But as you can see, the upward movement has been very strong, so we can consider that even after a brief and minor correction, the price still has the potential to move upward. Wishing you success and profits.
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.